Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm making ebi curry for one. It's meal for one series today, and I'm making ebi curry or shrimp curry. It's super easy to make. You don't need knife or pot. Maybe finding curry cube is the most difficult part of the dish. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this ebi curry, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make one serving. 1 portion rice pack, Japanese curry cubes, 70 grams each of frozen mixed vegetable and shrimp, half teaspoon each of garlic paste and soy sauce. I'm using these curry cubes from the brand called House, but you can use any curry cubes you can get. Maybe the brand called SMB is easier to find. Let's open the box. There are 8 cubes, and I'm using just 1 cube. Break it in the packet. And just 1 cube. Prepare a large bowl that you can microwave. Frozen mixed vegetables. Shrimp. Soy sauce. Garlic paste. And 150 milliliter of water. And let's just microwave this. 3 minutes at 800 watts. No cover needed. If your shrimps are still uncooked here, do it a little longer. Let's put curry cube. Dissolve it completely. And microwave one more time. 2 minutes at 800 watts. No cover needed. Give it a mix. And the curry sauce is ready. Super easy. Let's heat up the rice pack. 1 minute at 800 watts. Make sure the rice is steaming hot. Otherwise, it won't regain the stickiness and softness. Let's serve in the bowl here. Fluff it. I like to put the rice on one side and the curry on the other side. So let's put the curry here. And ebi curry for one is ready to go. Time for the tasting. It's okay to use spoon for Japanese curry. Itadakimasu. It's so good. It doesn't taste like I made it in 10 minutes. I think this is a great meal for students. It's easy, quick, budget-friendly, filling, and most importantly, delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo-style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Ebi curry is like main and rice put together, so let's put it here and nothing here. It's meal for one, and you don't want to spend too much time cooking just for yourself. So let's keep the whole meal nice and simple. Vegetable sticks with miso mayo dipping sauce here, and let's forget about the other dishes. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!